Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's video is about how to become a jewelry maker and engraver and how to get started. I've helped create free small businesses for over 45 years. These are solo businesses. You're the boss, no employees. However, you can use what I tell you here if you want to work for someone else. So here's what I recommend you do before you commit to becoming a jewelry maker and engraver. Number one, watch as many jewelry making YouTube videos as you can. Learn all you can for free just by watching YouTube. Pick out the 3 best channels you can find and watch all their videos on jewelry making. Number two, watch as many jewelry engraving YouTube videos as you can. Learn all you can for free just by watching YouTube. Pick out the 3 best channels you can find and watch all their videos on jewelry engraving. Number 3, go to eBay and Amazon and search for beginner books on jewelry making and engraving. Pick out 2 books with the best reviews, one for jewelry making and one for engraving. Study them seriously before doing the next step. Number 4, now go to several jewelry stores and tell the oldest person working in the store that you want to become a jewelry maker and engraver. Ask that person for their recommendation on how to become a jewelry maker and engraver. Ask them what the essential tools are for doing this type of work. Number 5, next, go to several antique stores and search for quality looking pieces of jewelry. Study the designs and take notes of what makes certain pieces look better than others. Try them on and see how they look and feel. And take note of the prices for quality pieces. Number 6, now go to thrift stores, Goodwill, Salvation Army, and pawn shops. Look at good and bad, cheap and expensive pieces of jewelry. Then ask yourself, which styles would you like to be creating? What appeals to you? What piece would you love to wear? Number 7, go online and shop for jewelry making and engraving tools. Do not buy any yet, though. Place a free wanted ad on Craigslist for jewelry making and engraving tools and do a search on the site for those tools. Just type into the search bar jewelry making and engraving tools. Number 8, check your local adult ed schools and colleges. Look for classes and workshops. Go on Craigslist. Look for any workshops and classes that teach jewelry making and engraving. Number 9, go to flea markets to see what items jewelry makers are selling and note their prices. Find out what sells the best. Just ask them. Your competition may be secretive or they may be real helpful. Ask them how you can become a jewelry maker and engraver. Ask how much it costs to have a table or booth at the flea market, just like they do. Number 10, now you should be able to know whether you want to do this as a business or just a hobby. Number 11, decide whether you want to work for yourself or for someone else. If you want to work for someone else, you need to start making jewelry pieces before you approach a jewelry business about working for them. Then you can bring your jewelry creations with you when you go to talk to potential employers. Number 12, working for yourself. Working for yourself can be an easier way to get started in this business. It will give you the opportunity and the time to decide what you like to create and to create quality pieces should you decide to work for someone else. Number 13, take quality photos of your creations before you sell those creations. This way, you will not just make money selling your pieces, but you'll also develop a portfolio of your work that you can show others later on. And you can then post your photos in online ads if you choose to sell them that way. Number 14, you can also enter your photos and original pieces in competitions and at fairs so that you will get recognition and attract potential buyers and people who want to commission you to create works of art just for them. Now, after you do all these steps, you should know whether you really want to become a jewelry maker and engraver. Do not buy any tools until you are sure that you want to do this business. And there's your free small business, jewelry making and engraving.